MTA?
It's an extension. It's an extension of the N.
Now close your eyes and once again take that smell in. The smell, that musky smell of 1,000 New York people coming and going. You can open your eyes and rise and grab your pole.
Do it, really, do it.
Yeah.
Rise and grab your pole.
Good,
Please
yes.
memorize the stops, turns, and elevation changes of the new line. And now, we're going to take you all on a sneak peek. The subway is going to lurch forward, so everybody get ready to do the subway lurch, and... Oh my goodness. Everybody, pop.
Yeah. Now, we're going from Roosevelt Island, our first stop, directly down to Myrtle Wyckoff, and there are no intermediate stops. Oh my God, hard right on Myrtle Wyckoff! Lean! The leading keeps the train on the track!
Oh! After Myrtle Wyckoff, express to Jersey City. Under both rivers to avoid the traffic. Yeah. Here comes the East River. Everyone plug your nose. Okay, take a breath. In order to appease voters, the train will be opening before the tunnels are fully closed to water. Here comes the Hudson.
Oh, hard stop at Jersey City. We put the hard stops in on purpose. Wait, who is that person entering the train? It's Lin-Manuel Miranda!
I imagine trains so much they feel more like a memory.
Do not look at Lin-Manuel Miranda.
Eliza!
No, all right, we go supersonic towards Washington Heights. Stop at Washington Heights, as Lynn demands.
My transfer's on the other side. Our sun is on the other side. Rise up, rise up, eyes up.
Do not look! Eyes up! Do not look at Lin-Manuel Miranda!
Eliza!
Now that the train is cleared out, we can all finally take a seat and enjoy the rest of the ride.
The train carries us gently back to Myrtle Wyckoff Avenue. The MTA has 5 stops, and 2 of them are Myrtle Wyckoff.